Good morning, class. Today, first is a banquet empty contest today. Starting out this year.
What is it every day? Stand out here. No, the birds and everything now. I don't mean you don't have to do nowadays. I don't do cowboy. I want to everything now. Oh my god! Wow!
Good job, Albert.
I will now the one in school. So Oscar, can I go to the bathroom?
No, I like, no. Jane. I will have you now after the deer.
I explode.
Alright, idiots. You're just here. Alright, class. Today is a banquet is complete. Alright, everyone. Lost is a science today. What is it up there now? A lot of what's very interesting.
I want the battery with the charger CCS.
Good. Lot of.
Where the everything well. Mr. News, Canada weapon of the year.
No, Lily. We just believe every year. So can Miss Behavior do this here?
Unexplode.
What is it? And Shakta, New, Eliza, and Nina, Eliza, Harry, and Marcus, Dodo.
Oh no, I just don't know that everything here. So care about everything do this and nowadays. We to the pool of fire analysis. I did see after this. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Fire! 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 Fire!
Oh! It's just a pool of fire school this every day. Do. No! Well, Jelly! Why did you do the board of our school? Go to the and say that camera footages. Whoa. Jelly! How dare you board of our school? That's it. We are not suspended first one. Go over and I'll call the parents.
Hello. This fairness color? Good. We are board of violent school attentions. Can I please come here because what? Okay, thank you. Goodbye. Understood. I'm off the way. Fine. Lily, we just call for a principal. Send a communist board of school.
Yes. Oh no!
No. We just not can believe a board of in school. Oh, Lily, we cannot put a board of in school. Do you know how unintentional it is? I mean, it's grounded 1 week, or 1 month, 1 year, for 10 years, found it forever. No iPhone, no iPad, no fun, no TV, no games, no going outside, no friends, anything more. Go to Europe right now. Also, Lily, it was today. So this time, no TV, no iPhone, no iPad, no fun, no TV, no going outside. All the other disease, if anymore. Yes, after the school, homework, studies, alongside the city and the decision exams. Now we this the choice right now.
Lily, how dare you put a fire in school? That's it. Do you know how unintentional it is? That means you're grounded got 1 billion, 2 million, 3,456 years. Go to your room right now.
That's it. Now it is a choice right now. We are grounded ever.
No, 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 no.
We'll talk after Mr. Snooze, I told the teacher. Hello? Hey, Mr. Snooze? Okay, good. We are really poor on finding school so dangerous. Can the school pick up white face? Okay, thanks. Goodbye. Very good. Tell me please about you did.
No, 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 please. I'm so sorry. No, 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 no.
It's too beautiful, sorry. Too late. Too sad. Too bad. Now go to school, please. Always have you did.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Lily, I cannot believe put her final school. The other one is does it. We're suspended for forever. We are grounded ever. Jane, we are the cover teacher. Saying I'm coming to school or final school. Yes. Jane, how dare you put a fire in school? That's it. We are grounded 1,242,472,604,346 years. Go to the years. Do you understand? No TV, no iPad, no iPhone, no TV, no games, including outside, no fans. Oh, you go to your job right now. And also, what do you homework to do after school? Homework started on city, MD, detention, assignment, exam, whatever. Go to study right now. Go to YouTube right now. Don't figure out you're grounded ever. Wah, 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 wah.